Assalamu alaikum dear little kids, welcome to Kids Islamic channel. It's a special day today. Do you know what day it is? Yes. It's Eid. And Zayd is so excited. But wait. Before running outside, let's learn the beautiful Sunnahs of Eid. The first Sunnah of Eid is to wake up early, brush your teeth, and take a shower. Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, loved cleanliness. So, Zayd quickly gets ready, wears his best clothes, and applies a little perfume. He's now fresh and ready for Eid. Before heading out for Eid prayer, the Prophet, PBUH, used to eat something sweet. So, Zayd enjoys a delicious date. Yummy! As they walk to the masjid, they remember to say the Eid Takbeer. It fills their hearts with joy and gratitude. Can you say it too? Let's try together. One of the most important Sunnahs of Eid is offering the special Eid prayer. Zayd prays with everyone and listens to the beautiful khutbah. The Prophet, PBUH, taught us to spread love and kindness on Eid. Zayd greets everyone with Eid Mubarak, and gives a small gift to his little cousin, and don't forget about Sadaqat-ul-Fitr. This small charity helps those in need enjoy Eid too. Eid is not just about new clothes and gifts, it's about thanking Allah, spreading joy, and following the Sunnah. Now that Zayd knows all the beautiful Sunnahs, he will follow them every year. Will you? Jazakallah khair for watching. See you soon inshallah in the next video. Hope you enjoy this story. If you enjoyed the story then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Islamic stories. Eid Mubarak dear little kids to you and your family. Hope this Eid brings a lot of happiness for you and your families. Allah Hafiz.